Family values are the principles guiding interactions within families. They vary across cultures but universally emphasize respect, love, and support. These values create a sense of unity and belonging, essential for cohesive family living and strong interpersonal relationships. Unity is a fundamental family value, fostering a supportive environment for growth. It enhances emotional and psychological well-being, providing security and belonging. Through shared experiences and support, unity strengthens family bonds, reinforcing resilience against life's challenges. Unified families navigate conflicts effectively through open communication, preventing misunderstandings. This fosters a healthier emotional environment where members feel valued. Such families adapt well, supporting each other through life's ups and downs, demonstrating the profound impact of unity. Modern life presents barriers to family unity, like technological distractions and busy schedules. Families must prioritize time together and open communication. Strategies like regular meetings or unplugged time help reconnect members, turning obstacles into opportunities to strengthen bonds. Family traditions enhance unity by providing structure and comfort. Rituals like weekly meals or holiday celebrations create lasting memories and reinforce bonds. These traditions adapt over time, preserving family unity and passing it down through generations.